Ever found yourself in a battle with your Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer, desperately trying to get it to turn on? You know the drill. It might respond if you wiggle the cord just right, or maybe it's completely unresponsive. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. The can't turn on problem, often linked to Dyson Supersonic wiring issues, is a surprisingly common headache for owners. This frustrating issue is typically caused by a faulty power cord, specifically internal damage that occurs over time from everyday use and storage. That intermittent connection isn't just annoying, it means your dryer isn't getting consistent power. Ignoring it can lead to further electrical stress, eventually rendering your high-tech Dyson completely useless. And who wants to replace a perfectly good hair dryer just because of a bad cord? But don't despair. At RoboCare, we specialize in Dyson Supersonic cord repair and diagnosing those tricky power problems. We utilize advanced diagnostic techniques to precisely pinpoint the root cause of the problem, whether it's a faulty power cord, a loose connection, or internal component wear. Our approach to Dyson Supersonic cord repair is meticulous. We don't just patch things up, we carefully dismantle, inspect every relevant contact, and replace any compromised wiring with genuine components, ensuring your dryer functions safely and reliably for years to come. We know you invested in the best, and we make sure it performs like the best. But enough talk, let's show you what we can do. See the difference? No more wiggling, no more frustration. Your Dyson Supersonic is fully powered, performing flawlessly, and ready to tackle any hair day. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
If you're struggling with your Dyson Supersonic, especially if it's got that annoying can't turn on problem or any kind of wiring issue, don't hesitate to contact RoboCare. They were professional, efficient, and they genuinely understood the value of my Dyson.
Don't let a faulty power cord ruin your routine. For reliable Dyson Supersonic wiring issue solutions and expert Dyson Supersonic repair, trust RoboCare.